Your journey with all the ups and downs is yours. Embrace it. Enjoy it, honor it. It will all happen for you right on divine timing. Type 111 to affirm. The universe is saying to you, shine your light brightly for all the world to see. During this tumultuous time, it is so easy to get pulled into the drama and duality that is playing out in the world. Right now, more than ever, is it important for you to focus on all that brings you joy and peace. When you focus instead on the division, hatred, fear, and separateness that are happening, you get pulled back into it. Your consciousness and energy are the most important commodity you have, and they are up for grabs by many forces. By holding onto your truth and faith, by focusing only on your own inner world, you help shape and contribute your divinity to others. You are needed now more than ever before, as you are shifting first yourself and then the world. Type yes if you agree.